Hi moms, welcome to today's video. If you're searching for a hospital-grade breast pump that gives comfort, power, and reliability, you're in the right place. Today we're going to talk about the Ameda Platinum Breast Pump, one of the top choices for hospitals and working moms across the USA. The Ameda Platinum is designed to make your pumping journey smooth and stress-free. It's quiet, efficient, and built with comfort in mind. You can easily adjust the suction and speed to match your body's natural rhythm, making every session feel gentle and effective. Let's talk about setup. All you need to do is connect the tubing, attach the bottles, and choose your preferred mode. The letdown mode helps stimulate milk flow, while the expression mode helps you collect milk efficiently. The digital display makes it super easy to monitor your settings. What moms love most is how comfortable this pump feels, even for long sessions. It's built to protect your milk supply while keeping every drop safe for your baby. The Ameda Platinum also helps moms who are building up their milk stash or returning to work. After pumping, simply store your milk in the refrigerator or freezer. Clean the parts and you're ready for next time. It's durable, hospital quality, and trusted by lactation consultants everywhere. If you're a new mom or just want to upgrade your pumping experience, this might be your best choice. Reliable, easy to use, and made for moms who deserve the best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mom-friendly product reviews and breastfeeding tips.